I think I'm gonna wear these out and then I'm gonna see people approach me and be like, oh my gosh, I love your eye color. I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Definitely blessed and born with this. And now I have contacts to match another one of my personalities. Hecka comfortable, dolls. Hecka comfortable. I like this color because it always makes me feel like a lioness with my mane and my... Dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay and subscribe. So in today's video, as you can tell, we are doing another eye contact review, and of course I got a discount code for you dolls because I'm always like, I got your back. So I don't know if you dolls use contacts, whether for fun or for play. I actually do need them. I am blind and dangerous on the road, especially in the dark, and especially with the fall weather, without them. So if you need a refill, if you want to see what else is out there, come along on this journey with me. This company is called FRESHGO and they are fairly new, so I'm really excited to try them out. And I was able to get 4 different colors, and I always try to do different colors because yeah, I want to play. So stuff like this does get me a little bit in the mood for some fun. Well, let's do some first impressions. Let me just open her up. Ooh, there we go. It comes with a little brown box as such, and the one thing that stuck out to me is just the affordability of these contacts. If you are looking for some contacts that are definitely more affordable, plus we have a discount code that I will put up on the screen in the video as well as a link down below, then definitely check them out. These days we really need to be economical. Although every day we should be economical, but nowadays I have to be actually frugal, so I'm sure some of you may appreciate that. Dun, 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 dun. Really simple. I like the packaging. We got the contacts. They come in these cute little containers and they have different colors. Simple and classy. I like that. So that's how they look. And I got 4 pairs again, and I did get some fun colors, dolls. I actually got blue. And then they got me some contact cases. So we got this one. Again, very simple. Okay. We got a really fun one, and it even has an applicator. So I'm going to bring the camera down and let's try. Should we just jump right into it? I mean, I got my fall clothes on, so I do like the contrast. I've never tried blue contacts before. This should be fun. So that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and pop the first one open. It does look like that. It's really pretty, dolls. This is called the Premium Blue Contacts. So it does have a black rim, and again blue, and it's got a little bit of yellow, so it's looking pretty natural. And seriously dolls, these were only $18.90, so I don't know if that's going to still be the same prices, but again, I do have a discount code, so for you dolls, definitely going to hook your girl up. Whoa, wow, my natural eye, and then this is the blue here. It's just like the contrast with dark brown hair and blue. Wow, these are striking. I absolutely love them. Seriously, no doubt. Yeah, so this is definitely really stunning. These are like Jennifer Aniston. What? Oh. For sure. All right, dolls. So that's the first one. Let's go ahead into the second eye contact color. Whenever I'm trying out contact companies, I do like to try some fun ones to mix it up and then do some everyday wear because I'm sure that's important to you dolls as well. Okay, so this one here, it's so light. I don't know if you dolls can even see it. This one is called Graphite Gray. So it's amazing how many different varieties there are out there. It's just absolutely, it's quite addicting. But then again, that's pretty much me always being addicted to every new thing and wanting to try every single one, especially if there's options. I see the gray, but it almost looks like it has a little bit of oh my gosh, blue. And this one's really cool because it has no rim whatsoever. This is really pretty. This is more subtle, and so you dolls can see it blends really well with my brown eye, my brown natural eye dolls. So that's a closer look. And they're so comfortable. I didn't mention that, but oh my gosh, really soft, really comfortable and natural. Again, I'm mind blown. Mind blown. They're just really opening, brightening, eye-opening. I know my makeup's getting really messy. I'm so sorry, dolls, because the solution is obviously on my face. So let me see if I can like give you dolls a better like look. I'm sprung. Another closer look, dolls. Compared to the other contact companies, because they are more affordable, I wasn't really expecting much. But I mean, seriously, these I have to say are one of the most so far comfortable contacts that I have tried. So I'm really impressed. So thank you, FRESHGO. Alright, dolls, so let's go ahead and move on to the third color. So we're gonna do a fun one, dolls. So this one is called, I think it's called NONNO Violet Purple. And you can see just it looks so amazing. I don't know what you dolls are gonna be for Halloween, or if you guys are gonna do anything, or I don't know if you should we have fun and like play around, like do different costumes or something, or I don't know, let me know in the comments. But I basically am gonna be basically a deer. So I think I was a deer last year too. That's so funny. So maybe I'll change it up. No, actually, I want to still be a deer again. Hello, finish your sentence, doll. And like the reason I'm bringing it up because I'm trying to figure out like which color contacts, you know. I'm definitely going to have to be getting some contacts in so that I can look to par, you know. Get into character. But dolls, check this out. What a trip. Ooh, this is so pretty. It matches my outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm going to scare people. This is so... Oh my gosh. See, I feel like only like on Halloween we can like do fun colors like this, but I don't know. Actually, I changed my mind. No, I think that's just a silly rule. I think I'm gonna wear these out. This is total cosplay anime. I love it so much. Like purple is so beautiful. It's got black rim, it's got red. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely stunning. Thumbnail. We're all only $18.90. Like, what a trip. Here we go, dolls. Here we go. This is the ochre brown. Super simple. It's got like a little tinge, so it's brown, but it has like kind of like a yellow or orangey undertone, just in case you dolls are interested. So here we go. Here's my normal eye color. So it's like dark brown, chestnut in the sunlight, to be exact. Hecka comfortable, dolls. Hecka comfortable. It's actually super natural. So definitely, dolls, it makes my eyes look hazel. So if you dolls have brown color, natural eye color, then yeah, there you go. Wow, like it. I like this color because it always makes me feel like a lioness with my mane and my... Oh my gosh, dolls. So definitely recommend these eye color contacts because they are so comfortable. I mean, they don't have as much of a selection as maybe other companies, but the selection that they do have, dolls, so far, I'm super like blown away. I can just tell these are good quality contacts. And also they are so comfortable on my eyes. Like, it's absolutely amazing, and you cannot beat the price point so far, dolls. So definitely, if you are interested, I have the link down below. They have the discount code to hook you dolls up if you are interested. But definitely highly recommend FRESHGO, dolls. And I'm not just saying this because I know you dolls have seen me with my other eye color contacts video, but you know, I mean, as I just experiment with different companies, like I have to say, like by far, as far as comfort level, like I'm absolutely loving the comfort of these. If you're looking for everyday contacts, I definitely again highly recommend. And we'll do a little shopping on the website so you can take a look and see for yourself, just kind of like what their site has, what they have to offer. And again, as far as any specials go, so dolls, definitely you let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, the prices you just cannot beat. So I love you dolls so much, and I will see you dolls in the next video. Dolls, stay beautiful, stay amazing, stay gorgeous, because that's what you are, and do not let anybody else make you feel otherwise. And yeah, we'll definitely here's another little last look. Let me know dolls what you think. Love you dolls, so bye dolls.